Hi, I'm Sergio, and today I'll introduce the RP series, BenQ's premium interactive displays specially designed for education. The RP series has an intuitive user interface and built-in classroom-ready features. It also provides a healthy and collaborative learning environment.
The RP comes in three sizes, 65, 75, and 86 inches, to fit any type of classroom. Its 4K screen delivers vivid picture quality, offering 4 times more detail than full HD displays, giving teachers and students a better visual experience. Thanks to its zero bonding technology, the air gap between the touch point and the panel is minimized, which makes writing feel natural and precise, whether you're using your finger, a pen, or even a brush. The RP supports various input sources such as HDMI, VGA, USB Type-C, wireless projection, as well as support for a Windows slot computer. The front of the display has multiple ports that teachers can easily access to display content. There is also an 8-microphone array, 2 16-watt speakers, and one 15-watt subwoofer. The RP provides several features that help promote interactive lessons and boost participation in the classroom. It's also easy to use and manage for both teachers and IT personnel. With the cloud-based whiteboard, EasyWrite, teachers and students have access to user-friendly features for active learning. Students can also use InstaShare to present their ideas in class by casting their personal devices directly on the screen. The RP also comes with BenQ Account Management System, or AMS, that lets teachers personalize their interactive display and access their cloud storage. This allows them to take their own workspace from classroom to classroom. To protect students' health, the RP has many built-in features such as germ-resistant screen, eye care technologies, and an improved air quality sensor. For school administrators, there's Exsign Broadcast, an audiovisual broadcast system that pushes notices, reminders, and alerts to all displays. And finally, IT staff have BenQ's Device Management Solution, or DMS, which allows them to manage all of their devices remotely.
All these features make the RP series the complete classroom solution. It's not only user-friendly and easy to manage, but also enables teachers to create an engaging and healthy learning environment.
The RP comes with EasyWrite, BenQ's cloud-based whiteboard. It replicates the look and feel of a traditional whiteboard and is packed with features designed for active learning. Simply pick up a stylus or use your own finger to write on the board, and use your palm to erase. Teachers can conveniently import images and documents from the display's internal storage, USB drive, or cloud storage, and place them directly on the whiteboard. With the floating tool, you can capture the screen, including content from other apps, websites, and videos, and import them on the whiteboard. The class can then further discuss the content and make annotations. Students in class can simply scan the QR code on the interactive display to join. Teachers can select broadcast mode to share the board, or enable co-creation mode to let students add content. While students at home can join by entering the room ID on the EasyWrite webpage. EasyWrite offers tools that help boost student participation. Team Post, for example, allows you to host competitions between students. There are also other tools that make for convenient teaching. As the whiteboard begins to fill up, you can simply add new pages to continue your lesson without having to erase the board and disrupt the flow. You can even change backgrounds or the order of the pages. To help with learning retention, teachers can export the whiteboard or record the lesson and share with the class so that students can watch and listen on their own time. Since students no longer need to take notes, they can focus more on the discussion during class. As you can see, EasyWrite is much more than just a whiteboard. It lets you customize your lessons, access your cloud storage, import teaching materials, and give your students a more immersive, hands-on learning experience. InstaShare is a wireless screen sharing solution that allows teachers and students to directly cast their personal devices on the RP screen. Students can cast their notebook, tablet, or smartphone screens without using any cables. With two-way touch, they can control the screen from their device or directly from the interactive display. The split screen feature lets 1 to 4 students cast their screens at the same time. This allows teachers to easily discuss students' work and ideas. With InstaShare, students and teachers can wirelessly present on the RP using their personal devices with just one tap. They can enjoy easy screen sharing and mirroring with full audio and video fidelity. BenQ interactive displays for education come with AMS, or Account Management System, an online platform that lets teachers personalize their account and access their files. With AMS, teachers can walk into any classroom and easily start their class by logging into any interactive display using their NFC card or credentials. Their settings, such as application shortcuts and background image, are automatically loaded, reducing the setup time. By linking their cloud storage to their AMS account, teachers can safely access their Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive accounts, which allows them to open and save files from their cloud storage. AMS makes teaching much easier. With it, teachers can enjoy quick NFC login, plus easy access to their cloud files and personalized accounts from any classroom. When it comes to education, health matters. That's why the RP is packed with classroom care features that help create a healthy learning environment. One of the main health features of the RP series is that the displays are protected by a multi-layered coating of non-toxic nanoionic silver that kills most germs on contact in order to prevent cross-infection in classrooms. The RP provides several eye care solutions, such as anti-glare, flicker-free, and low blue light technology. The display's 4K ultra-high definition resolution and wide viewing angle ensure that every student can easily see what's on the screen wherever they are in the classroom. Finally, the RP series includes a built-in air quality sensor that detects room temperature, humidity, CO2 levels, and PM 2.5 to help create a healthy classroom. For example, a high level of CO2 in a room can negatively impact attention span, alertness, and cognitive thinking. Teachers can monitor this and then take measures to improve the air quality. Thanks to its germ-resistant screen, smart eye care technologies, and air quality sensor, the RP perfectly blends active and healthy learning. Exsign Broadcast is a wireless broadcast system that lets school administrators and teachers push messages to their BenQ interactive displays. It offers them the flexibility to send alerts, reminders, and warnings with text, images, Office files, and even YouTube videos. Through Exign's cloud interface, administrators can push messages to a single or multiple classrooms, or even the whole school. The solution also lets administrators authorize certain staff to push messages on specific devices. By making broadcast content more visual, Exsign Broadcast becomes the perfect complement to existing audio-only PA systems. BenQ's DMS, Device Management Solution, is a software platform that allows IT administrators to remotely manage multiple interactive displays from a centralized location. You can easily install, update, and remove apps on one or more displays. DMS also supports over-the-air updates, which help keep your devices up to date with the latest features and security patches. You can even remotely control and schedule startup and shutdown times through DMS in order to save energy. Furthermore, DMS provides detailed device usage reports, which include active hours and app use, to give administrators a better understanding of how each device is utilized. DMS allows hassle-free remote app, firmware, and device management for all BenQ interactive displays, decreasing the workload of IT staff and improving the teaching experience.
With all its collaborative features for both students and teachers, as well as its health and management benefits, the RP series is more than just a digital whiteboard. It's a perfect tool for active learning, built for convenience and effective sharing of skills and insights. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more, you can visit our website at www.benq.com. See you soon.